Alright, I got some awful news, some bad news. I haven't even uploaded the other videos of the exhaust and for the underglow, but I blew the motor already. I was gonna go deposit my check, did a second gear pull. She popped that 8K. I don't know what the hell happened. It's nothing I haven't done. I don't know what the fuck happened, but it is what it is. Here we are, blown K20 again for the second time. Honestly, I'm just like, whatever. Let's pull this bitch. Let's make a video. Let's make some money. So hopefully we get enough views and the sucker pays for itself again. Because here we go, round two. Let's get started. I'm gonna try to record as much as the process as I can. Start by taking this cowl off and that one, and we'll go from there. Alright, I got that off. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the hood, take off these flares so I can take off the bumper, take off the radiator support, start taking off the intake, start taking off the manifold. Oh, and I didn't get to mention, I just had an issue the night before where my CMC gave out. So I have brand new EP3 CMC with the bypass delete. Yeah, that was a bitch to install. And I also have the bypass slave with the steel braided line. Took it out cruising yesterday, no issues. When I go deposit my check, boom. Someone fucking hella put a hex on me, that's for sure. But let's go ahead and remove the flares, remove the bumper, remove the hood, and we'll start tearing down the motor. I got the radiator support off, and what I'm doing is I'm removing the bolt, taking off wherever it's at, and then putting the bolt back into its place. That's the best way to not lose bolts, I believe. So let's go ahead and start taking off that intake. Alright, got my car elevated up. Take off this intake. Oh, wrong side. Thought I had it ready, but I guess not. Loosen that bracket up. Bring it down and out. Set this sucker inside. Loosen up this bracket here. Take off the sensor. Disconnect my catch can. Got the oil catch can out and the rest of my intake piping. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to take off the wheels because we're going to have to take off the axles or the axle nuts to be able to pull the axles from the transmission. Then we'll leak the radiator and we'll start tearing everything up. I got the wheels off, draining the cooling system. What I'm going to do next is pop that open so I can breathe faster. Start taking off the intake manifold, take off the fuel rail, undo these pigtails, and we'll go from there. I haven't disconnected the battery. Now I did. Would be smart, I guess. Let's go ahead and take the battery out. All this stuff that's in the way, ECU, everything gets to come off. Alright, got quite a bit of things done already. Intake manifold is off, fuel rail is off, battery is off, radiator's off, wiring harness is pretty much done. We just got to get the sensors on the top, remove the top, get the coil packs out, take off the accessory built. So I'm going to take off the alternator and the idler pulley. I'm going to leave the AC pump dangling. Then we'll disconnect or undo the ECU, that transmission mount, then we'll do this top mount. But it's almost there. I swear, I'm getting faster at this shit. It's almost there. Alright, wiring harness is out. Shifter cables are off. Serpentine belt is off. Coolant lines to the rear are off. Everything's over here. I'm going to take off the alternator, this bracket, to get more elbow room. Then we'll unhook the AC pump. I already have these lines disconnected right here, so we'll just zip tie it down here so it doesn't just dangle on its aluminum lines. And then we'll take off that motor mount, take off this motor mount, unbolt the header, or I guess maybe unbolt the header first, then do those mounts. And then, oh, we still got to take off the axles. Got to break these nuts off, and on both sides. Oh, and the ball joint bolts too, to be able to pop those axles out. But we're almost there. Alright, coming along already. Pretty much done. I'm at that point where I'm gonna go to my next door neighbor's house and I'm gonna borrow his engine hoist. He has one. That's how I was able to pull the other motor out. I was gonna go pick one up, but cheapest one is $200. So I need that for the motor. So I'm gonna go and borrow his for now. I already have the axles out. I have the transmission mount off, the front transmission mount, the upper transmission mount. I have the alternator, the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, part of the transmission mount, both of the axles out. So now the only thing that it's doing is being supported by the jack with a brick underneath. Everything's loose. We just need to do this mount here, the mount in the rear. Headers are loose. Chain it up and pull it out. Then we'll mount it onto the engine hoist and we'll start tearing it up. We'll see what happened, but I almost got it out. So let me go get that hoist and we'll come right back. Alright, and there it is. She's about to get pulled. Just gotta undo the bolt from here and the bolt at the bottom, and she should be loose. I already have some tension on it, so let's make this happen. Alright, she's loose already, and there she is. She's coming out. Now I just gotta maneuver her out. Should be a wrap. Alright, and there it is. Walking her out little by little. She's coming. Just gotta make sure she doesn't get caught anywhere. She's cleared on the rear. You see lines pretty cleared. I'm gonna have to take off this bolt, I think, because I'm putting the bolts back into place after I take them. That way we put all those bolts back in the same place. There she is. Just gotta work her out. Make sure she doesn't take anything with her. I took off the crank pulley just to give us a little bit more room. There it is. Everything's nice and loose back here. Alright. Already missing the header. Sweet. Let's get this exhaust gasket out. Oh, we're gonna see the damage right now. We're gonna see what the fuck happened. Fucking ECU bracket. There it is. She's out, boys. She is out. Let's get this sucker going. There it is. Her fucking heart is out, bruh. Back to the motherfucking drawing board once again, yet again. But this time it should be fucking better. Let's see what the damage is. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Damn. I already had a little peek. I see a window. Damn. Wonder what the fuck happened, man. She was running so good. Only 10K. Well, I had 75. I put 10. Fuck. Look at that shit. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck, we blew another fucking piston. Are you fucking kidding? Wow. Same piston. But this time I didn't money shift it. Damn. What a disappointment, bro. Alright, and there it is. Engine is out. Got a big ass hole on the side. Blew a piston up. Yay, me. And here we go again. This is a very familiar sight. Sight I do not like. Fudge. Man, we just got all that fucking nice fancy hardware. Damn. Well, time to put all this shit away. Call it a wrap. Plan for today was to go deposit my check, go take a drive up the mountains, come back, fuck with my rear suspension a little bit, and chill. Instead of this happened. Plans out the door. But anyways, this will do it for now. I guess we're gonna continue another series. This is part 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.